Hello YouTube. This is another video of how to stop unwanted programs from running on your computer or on startup. It's pretty easy to do. You just got to go into the registry. But what you got to do is click Start and click Run. Type regedit, regedit. Click OK. If there's anything open, just scroll on the top. And where you want to go is H key local machine. Click the plus. Go to software, click the plus. Scroll all the way down until you see Microsoft. You'll click the plus. Mine's already open. And scroll through and look for shared tools. It's right here. So click the plus. And go to MS config. Click the plus. And click services. Now under here you'll see I have iMappy, which is part of Incredimail, an iPod service. I don't even have an iPod, so I can actually delete that. If you don't know what any of these are, a good idea to do it is open up Internet Explorer or Firefox, if you know, whatever you use. Go to Google, pick a name, say that one. You can just type the name in. It's QBFCSERVICE. And you'll notice it's probably called QuickBooks. So I don't use QuickBooks. You can do that for any one of these. It doesn't matter if you don't know what it is. Just look it up. So since I don't use QuickBooks, we'll just right click it to right mouse button, go down to delete, click the left mouse button, and then yes, you want to delete this value. And I'm going to do that for the iPod service, and I'm going to do that for this service. Once you get what you don't want running, and look it up, and make sure you look them up. There's some things that might have to run. The next one would be startup folder. Click the plus, and then you'll notice here the command is usually magic disk. There should be a command file in there. If there's not, you can just hover your mouse over here and it'll tell you where it goes, what the shortcut is. In my case, it's magic disk. I use it, but I don't need it running on startup. So over here, just click the folder, right click, and delete, and then hit yes. And the other one would be startup reg. You'll see we have a long list of stuff that starts up. This one actually tells you what they are, so it's kind of nice. But the Google Updater, I don't really need it, but I keep it running. Intuit is part of QuickBooks. As you can see, the command line, it tells you Intuit. I just happen to know Intuit is QuickBooks. If you don't know, just look up Intuit on Google. So I don't use it. I don't need it syncing anything. iTunes I do use, but I don't need the helper running. Just look through here and Nero filter, I don't need it running. InWiz, I don't need it running. QuickTime, this doesn't delete the programs off your computer. It just stops them from starting and running in the background while you're doing other things. You don't need this stuff running all the time. uTorrent, I don't need it. I don't even use it anymore. My VM trays, virtual machines, I don't really use them anymore. The Woodalizer, which is a pretty fun little program. We'll get into that and do another video. And then that's it. If you look at the other video, it does go over MS config, which is start run MS config, and I hit OK. And we went over the startup tab. So watch that video, and I'll explain to you how to work all that. And as always, if there's anything you want to see or you want to know how to do or know about, just post a comment, and we'll try to make a video for you. And just subscribe to the channel on your right hand screen. It's a little yellow button. It'll give you all the latest videos and updates that we do. And that's about it. So you guys have a good night, YouTube. Thanks for watching.